Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set and operate this watch, Casio F200. Okay, if you want to know more about this watch, you can also check our review. I will put the link in the description. First, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It should look like this: day, month, date, hour, minute, second. But if not, then you can press the mode button several times until the high-pitched beeping sound, or you can also press and hold the mode button and it will jump to the timekeeping mode. Okay, now if you want to change the time format, you can use the start button, this one, so 9 p.m. or 21. Okay, and then if you want to activate the backlight, of course use the light button, this one. And then next, if you want to do the LCD check, easy, just press the adjust mode and start. So you might want to hold the watch in this position, and then the trick is to press the adjust button a bit earlier and then the other two after that, like this. Okay, and yes, it will show something like this, and then you can press the mode button to view the next screen. So this is the program code, and looks like it's the same family as AE1500, W800, F201, and so on. Okay, press again the mode button, and yes, now back to the timekeeping mode. Okay, one more thing, this one I honestly don't know for what, but you can use it to check the originality of the watch. Use this adjust, light, and start button. So yes, hold the watch in this position and then adjust button first and then the other two after that. It should show the T letter on the top left. Okay, now press mode button and back to the timekeeping mode. Okay, now let's continue with setting the time and date, or the basic settings. And to do that, from this timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button. Okay, now the second is flashing or blinking. We can reset the second using the start button. So this one, more than 30 or 30 or more than 30, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the hour. You can use the start button to increase, but sorry, there is no way to reduce the number. You can only move it up like this. So if you want to go back to 21, then press and hold, and then yes, press one by one after that like this. Okay, and then press the mode button. Now is the minute. Also the same thing, use the start button to increase. And yes, if I want to set to 47, then press and hold, and then press one by one like this. Okay, and then next press the mode button, and now is the year. Also the same thing, and if it's already passing the year, then just press and hold until 2099 and it will be back to 2000. So wait, okay, 2000, and now let's set back to 2025. Okay, and then press again the mode button, and now is the month. Also the same thing, use the start button to increase or to move up the number. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the date. Also the same thing, and yes, you can press and hold to speed up the process, and then press one by one. Okay, press again. Now back to the second, and done. You can press the adjust button and back to the timekeeping mode. That's all for the setting of the time and date, and the day will be automatically shown because it has auto calendar up to 2099. Okay, next press the mode button, and now is the alarm. Okay, for the alarm, it is a multifunction alarm. You can set not only the time but also the month and date, meaning that you can use it for a reminder of birthday and so on. But anyway, for this tutorial I will only show you the basic one for the time. Okay, so to do that, press and hold the adjust button. Okay, and now is the hour. You can use the start button to increase the number. So let's say I want to use this as a wake up alarm at 5:15. Okay, this one is 5, and then press the mode button. Now is the minute. You can use the start button to increase. 5:15. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then press again the mode button, and now is the month. If you want to use it as a daily alarm, make sure that this one is blank. So if there is a number like this one, then you can press the start button until it shows blank. So 9 10 11 12 and then blank. Okay, meaning that any month it will go off. And then press again the mode button, and now is the date. If there are any number here, then you can use the start button to move up until blank. So yes, wait. Okay, after 31 blank, meaning that in any date the alarm will work. Okay, now press the mode button and back to the setting of the hour, and yes, done. You can press the adjust button, and yes, we have set the alarm as a daily alarm at 5:15. And then next, you can set the alarm to be active or active with snooze or off from this view. So let's make sure there's nothing blinking here, so meaning you're not setting the time for the alarm anymore. And now it's showing this one, ALM active, meaning the alarm is active but the snooze is not. And you can press the adjust button. Now alarm and snooze is active. Press again. Now both are not active, meaning that the alarm is not active. And then if you press again, now the alarm is active again but not snooze. So this will cycle through the options, and let's just activate both for now. Okay, and then yes, that's all for the alarm. You can set as daily alarm with snooze, or off. Okay, now if you want to move to the next item to set the signal, from this view press the start button, and now this one you can activate the signal using the adjust button like this, meaning that you will get beeping sound every changing of the hour. Okay, and next you can also do the alarm sound check from this view. So press and hold the start button and it will give beeping sound. Okay, like this. Yes, and yes, that's all for the alarm. Now you can press the mode button to move to the next mode, and that is the stopwatch. For the stopwatch, you can start stop using the start button here. Okay, start, pause, continue, pause, continue, pause or stop, and adjust to reset. Okay, and then you can also use for split time. So start and then use the adjust button to get the split time. And yes, it shows something like this, and the time is running in the background. So if you want to unfreeze or open the split time, then press again the adjust button and it will jump to the latest time that is running in the background like this. Okay, and so on. And if you want to stop, use the start button again and reset after that using the adjust button. Actually there's another function, but I will not discuss here because it's rarely used. Okay, now press the mode button, and this one is the dual time. To set the dual time, press and hold the adjust button. Okay, and you can start by setting the hour using the start button. But anyway, if you rarely use dual time, then you can press the dual time to be the same as your current time. So let me set as 21. Okay, and then press the mode button. Now we can set the minute, and yes, let me set back to 54. Okay, so you can press and hold the start button to speed up the process, and let me set back to 54. Okay, and yes, if you press again the mode button, it will back to the setting of the hour, and press the adjust button and done. So yes, I set the dual time the same as the normal time because I right now rarely use the dual time. And if I ever press the mode button and get the watch in the dual time, I will not get confused. Okay, so yes, back to the timekeeping mode, and that's all for the settings and operation of this watch, Casio F200. If you have any question about the setting and operation, you can put in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.